In this LinkedIn video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use the LinkedIn app to send voice messages. Hi, my name is Lisa Kanda, and I'm here to share different LinkedIn tips with you so that you can increase your visibility and your connections to grow your network and grow your business. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to, of course, go to the LinkedIn app. This feature is only available on the app. And you're going to go right over here in the upper right where you've got that little messaging icon and tap it. It's going to go ahead and open up your messaging system. And here's where you can send a message. In fact, you can even see right here, I had sent a voice message previously. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So who do you want to send that message to? So you're going to maybe search messages or search for people to send it to. So I'm going to do a search for someone to send it to. So I'm going to send a message to a colleague, Deborah Fry. And let's go ahead and send that message. Where do we do that? So rather than typing a message in right here, I'm going to go right over here to the right of that, to that little microphone icon. I'm going to tap on that. Now here's the trick. You hold this button right here to record. If you are talking and you make a mistake, you slide away and it will automatically cancel it. So I'm going to show you an example of that. So I'm going to tap. Hi, Deb, sending you a voice message to demonstrate how this works. And say I don't want that to go, I do not release my finger. Instead, I just slide it. And it just went away and it reset the timer. Now let's go ahead and record one and I'll show you what happens after that. Hi, Deb, it's Lisa. I just wanted to check in with you that I got your message, and I'm also using you as a demonstration in my video on how to use this voice messaging feature in the LinkedIn app. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Now I release to send it, and then here it gives you that toggle. Now if I click on this and say don't show this for future voice messages, I won't get this message. I like to leave it on because it just, once again, if I want to cancel that message because I made a mistake, I can cancel it here. But if I want to send it, I just tap on send right here. And there it goes. And you can see it went right here to Deb. And she'll get to hear that message later. I hope this LinkedIn tip was helpful to you. And if you did like it, make sure you mention that in the comments. Let me know what other tips you're looking for. And I'd appreciate if you either subscribe to my YouTube channel and or like my page. This is Lisa Kanda with LK Advisors. We'll see you next time.